We're all here for one reason. Even though we might all be from different countries, we're all here to learn together, become a better version of ourselves to achieve our dreams.
Ago.
Ame.
Hello, friends.
My name is Bathsheba.
Hi, I'm Shakiba.
My name is Vanessa.
My name is Julia.
My name is Sama.
Hi, my name is Divine.
My name is Mandepa.
I am powerful.
I'm Gentle.
I am gentle.
I want to be a doctor.
To become a doctor or a lawyer.
To become a nurse, help people.
Giving the life to the others that my mom never couldn't give to us.
We left Afghanistan in 2021. Afghanistan was like a dangerous place.
We couldn't go to school because of the danger that was going outside.
You would have to pay school dues to go to school, so not a lot of kids had the opportunity.
When I came to America, like I feel like scared.
Didn't know nothing in English. I didn't even know how to say hi.
I thought like it's gonna take like 10 years for me to speak English or write. I was shy, and my parents used to tell me, don't to be shy, just keep your hearts open.
When I came to GVP, teachers really helped me.
I said it. This school is for immigrants. They understand where you come from. Make you the best version of yourself. I am a lifelong learning.
I am a lifelong learner.
Before I was in GVP, I would be kind of a little shy or embarrassed about being an immigrant, but GVP, everyone is actually curious about you. They make you feel so safe.
I just feel so safe with them. I feel like they're my sisters, all of them.
I feel safe here, like they really care about you.
My nephews, nieces, they can't go to school because some of the schools are burnt down, bombed by the military. And here, I'm not worried about that.
Making learning fun and actually getting it in our brains.
Yes, the storytelling.
Thank volunteers especially, they do a lot.
I'm excited about it.
I can just call my mentor for help, and she always gonna be there.
Ms. Michelle has been my mentor ever since I've been in GVP until now. She has done so much for me and my family, and it's like, I'm just, I know I wouldn't have never met her if I didn't come to GVP. Now I'm working as an area manager for Amazon. I want to keep pushing, I want to keep going.
I have goals. I have a plan B and I have a plan A. And my plan A right now is I'm going to Andeska.
So the answer is 7.
My turn.
My mom and my dad don't know how to speak English, and I a little translate with my parents.
I help them like if they got a doctor appointment or they got to go to the leasing office.
I know I will be a good student, and then one day I hope I will grow up and then be a good person. Yeah.
Everybody want to come back to GVP because it's one of the best places you can have fun, laugh, and study.
Sometimes Monday Pop make me feel like happy, and she's my bestie. And
I really love my sister Shakiba. She's my favorite. I don't want to leave GVP. It's just, I want to stay here forever.
When I was little, I didn't think we'll come this far, and I actually made it.
I'm just so thankful for GVP for creating a bond like that for a girl like me who never knew that in America, there are people that actually cares that much deeply about you and just want you to be happy. You're not the only one going through this journey. There are other girls like you. A girl can be as powerful as she wants to be. I love that.